Mustang 23T here. Just want to do a quick video from a night shootout and how the exhaust, the MBRP race exhaust sounds from the inside of the cabin. So here we go. All right, now here is with track mode on, just so that you guys get a feel of how it sounds in the inside cabin here in track mode. And here's how it sounds in neutral. I have the window down so you can hear it a little bit more. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a quick thumbs up. Subscribe, please. It will help out a lot. Mustang 23T. I'm out.